Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, January 8, 2024. A proposal for the Integrated Electronic Case Management System for judicial proceedings is about to go before Cabinet as soon as this month. Chief Justice Brian Sykes made the announcement in an interview with JIS News. The program, which was developed in Rwanda, is expected to transform the way court officials and clients interact, reducing wait time.
And the expectation is that you'll have improved efficiency because you will have less paper moving around, you will have reduced instances of missing files, you will have instances now where the files can be transferred from one court to another without any loss of time.
Should Cabinet give its approval, Justice Sykes says his department will then go ahead with its partners to develop the program and make digital case management more widespread.
The whole idea behind that is to have a case management system for both civil and criminal cases, and it links all our courts, all the parish courts, the Supreme Court, the Gun Court, the High Court Division of the Gun Court, the Circuit Division of the Gun Court, and the Court of Appeal.
The Chief Justice says it will cost in the range of $3 to $5 million to implement the program. The government will be providing an emergency response to damaged roadways in sections of Portland. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the commitment as he toured affected roads in the parish last week. Heavy rainfall in various communities in recent weeks caused dislocation for residents, farming, and other businesses in the area.
So far, what we have seen, we could make emergency allocations. We're coming close to the end of the fiscal year. So there will be some provisions that we will have to make to ensure that the dislocations caused by these weather events do not affect our economic output.
Mr. Holness was accompanied on the tour by Member of Parliament for Portland Eastern, Anne-Marie Vaz, Mayor of Port Antonio, Paul Thompson, and officials from the National Works Agency. The NWA has signed a $9 million contract to do cleaning in the Seamans Valley area. Another sum is under consideration for repair work to the road, which was damaged. The Prime Minister says the necessary interventions will be made to support the various industries in the area.
And of course, to ensure that the commuting public and all farmers are able to move in relative ease.
Meanwhile, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says an all-of-government approach will be taken to assist farmers in Portland who have been impacted by the recent heavy rains. While touring sections of eastern Portland on January 3, the minister said he would seek to work with other ministries to explore matters such as river training and cleaning for the Rio Grande. He adds that a program of response will be crafted by his ministry to get the farmers back into production as quickly as possible. This will include the provision of input supplies such as fertilizers. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness is assuring displaced vendors of the Musgrave Market in Portland that preliminary work to construct a temporary shed will be sped up. The market was destroyed by fire in May last year, and vendors are now operating in the park, exposing them to inclement weather conditions for the past few weeks. During a tour of the area last Thursday, the Prime Minister said consultation would be held with stakeholders to facilitate the temporary shed for vendors on the grounds of the market parking lot. It will also provide access to adjoining sanitary facilities.
So they would build this temporary area, which would not interfere with the other plans that are going to unfold for the development of the market district. It has taken some time. There are some bureaucratic hurdles that we have to cross.
Member of Parliament for Portland Eastern, Anne-Marie Vaz, also assured the vendors that funds were in place for the construction of the shed, the design was completed, and a deposit made.
One of the critical issues the vendors have is that in the market, every evening, they have to pack up their goods, pay a taxi, and every morning they have to pay a taxi to bring back the goods and put them on display. So in addition to the shed, which is why we have not made a second payment, we need to now put in storage.
And finally, Sport Minister Olivia Grange has welcomed the donation of more than 90 sets of cricket kits to support the ongoing growth of the game in Jamaica. The items, valued at $50,000 were recently handed over to the Jamaica Cricket Association (JCA) by the Government of the Republic of India. The kits include batting pads, gloves, balls, helmets, grips, grip cones, stumps and bails, in addition to cricket bats and guards and kit bags. They will be given to primary and secondary schools to create a strong basis for the development of cricket among young Jamaicans. Minister Grange says the gear will be much appreciated by aspiring cricket players and will be crucial to the ministry's cricket development initiatives. The Indian High Commissioner to Jamaica says he hopes the donation will spark additional cooperation between the two countries, not only in cricket, but also in other sports such as track and field. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.